Hey, Colin here on my walk today, and I would like to invite you to spend a day with a handful of inspired, nature-loving women talking about all things backpacking. Wild Woman Walking is a full-day backpacking masterclass where you will learn hands-on about how to choose and properly fit a backpack, all about shelters and choosing a good campsite, sleeping systems, bags, quilts, pads, all the different kinds of water purification, clothing, a whole segment all about foot care, how to stay safe, dry, clean, and comfortable. And of course, the most important thing, how to make easy, delicious, nutritious backcountry meals. We're going to experiment with different kinds of stoves and fuels. And in addition to plenty of snacks and drinks, you'll be sampling some of my favorite trail meals. So go ahead and register and grab a spot, and we will see you at the gorgeous Fort Mountain State Park in North Georgia, May 9th. I look forward to helping you become the most skilled, capable, and confident backpacker you can possibly be. See you there.